Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to find templates for CapCut. So there are lots of ways to find the templates in the CapCut. You guys can check the templates in CapCut on application, or you guys can search the CapCut templates from any of your browser. Now you guys have to just simply go open up the CapCut application and go to this template section. Now it will provide you a huge library of the set of CapCut templates. You guys can select any of the template and you guys can make your own video. And another way of finding the templates is to you guys have to just simply open up any of your browser. So after opening up any of your browser, here you guys have to just simply search for CapCut templates, and here you guys have to just simply open up the first website, and it is the official website of CapCut. And here again you guys will be able to see lots of templates. Here you guys can make any of your template by just tapping on it and adding your own video. I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.